Now we're going to go back to workforce development in the few minutes that we have left. This is our last area. And Ruben Avalar, I'm hoping that you are able to.
Can you hear me? No?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'll be relatively brief. First, I want to thank everybody who put this initiative together. It was very thorough and comprehensive. Secondly, I think it's a good start. As you know, it will require a tremendous amount of effort and commitment to be effective and successful. The way I look at this recovery is that you're building a plane and flying it at the same time. That's kind of where we're going to have to be with this thing, constantly adapting, evolving, and evaluating, how the merits of the initiatives, and are we being effective in helping those most in need. For those of you who don't know, Job Train's been around for 56 years. It's a nonprofit career training center located at Menlo Park. We offer career training, job readiness services, supportive services, and we have career centers located in Menlo Park, East Palo Alto, and San Jose. With initiatives, we're looking at big pictures, and as we all know, the devil's in the details, right? And so for me, what I see as being really, really important, we have to develop is a comprehensive, warm handoff as it pertains to the referral process. Build it around coordinating more effectively on how people are being served and what other services they're getting, so there's not a redundancy of services or duplication or a drop off where people are referred that we don't know what's going on with them. So it's very important that's solid in this thing, because we're all going to be counting on each other to help the community at large, and we want to be able to follow up on the services that they're getting and whether or not the services are being effective. The other thing that I see that we need to develop strongly is this employer relationships. Will be working with the workforce, working with employers with looking at employment opportunities, but also how to prepare the new workforce. What can we do in collaboration with them to assure that the community at large is able to qualify for those jobs? And if it means also retraining, that we work very closely with the community colleges and the adult ed programs as well, because they're there to educate the community. And I think they're going to have to retool themselves too, to be able to turn on a dime and give comprehensive training for people to be able to re-enter the workforce sooner than a one-year certificate program or an AA degree. And the big thing that I see is building stronger partnerships with all sectors, employment, nonprofits, and so forth is going to be really important. But for me, the big thing is building this deeper employer commitment. I've worked in a workforce now for over 20 years, and it's always been the weak link in everything that the county did under the Workforce Investment Opportunity Act, is employers just are not willing to step up and be thoroughly engaged in providing comprehensive support in hiring people who come through the one-stop centers. So I think that we need to just kind of strengthen that, build it up, so that we can, count on employers to do their part to help our communities recover from COVID-19. And that's it.